In this Let's Go Chatsonic review, I'm going to be showing you a training that's going to teach you about a brand new AI software that's 10 times more powerful apparently than ChatGPT, and they also teach you 5 ways of making money with it. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Let's Go Chatsonic, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, discover the high-powered AI sensation that's 10 times more powerful than ChatGPT. No experience, email list, or tech skills required. Discover the 5 best easy ways to make money using the all-new Chatsonic. So this is another AI software, and they're going to teach you exactly how to monetize that. Step 1, you purchase your copy of Let's Go Chatsonic. Step 2, you get your money-making content, and they teach you 5 ways to do that, and then they say sit back as your creations earn you passive income over and over again. Now, they have some income screenshots, but this looks like Warrior Plus screenshots, so I don't really think it has anything to do with this. So I don't know really why that's there, but yeah, it's on the page. So if here's some more results that he's gotten from Warrior Plus, but again, it really has nothing to do with this. But if you do purchase, you have access to the 5 best ways to monetize Chatsonic, easy to follow video training. They say you can start earning as soon as today, rinse and repeat, sell your own products and keep 100% of the profits. Now, this is really, really inexpensive. However, you can even get it for cheaper. If you move your mouse away, you can get a discount as well. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, let's go over. I'm going to play you a quick video, explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and the discounts.
Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here. Now, unless you've been living under a rock somewhere, it probably hasn't escaped your notice that AI has pretty much taken over the internet marketing space during the first quarter of 2023. Pretty much every other day someone is releasing a new AI related product, and most of those are concerned with ChatGPT. Now, doesn't matter really at this point whether you've heard of ChatGPT or not, although I'm guessing that most of the people watching this will have done. But what you need to know is that there is an alternative version available that is 10 times more powerful than the original ChatGPT. Now, this is still a completely free to use service, so we're not talking about a paid subscription here. We're talking about a new, if you like, 10 times enhanced version of ChatGPT that's widely available, and that resource is called Chatsonic. So with this new product that I'm releasing today called Let's Go Chatsonic, which I'm releasing with my great launch partner Paul Talent, what we are going to enable you to do is to maximize this new 10x powered resource, and we're going to show you 5 different ways that you can monetize Chatsonic straight away. So you need to hear this, folks. I haven't seen any other products out there at the moment that are specifically geared to Chatsonic. So this is a release that you don't want to turn down. I'm going to make it a no-brainer for you folks because I want everyone to have this info. A lot of people are rightly excited by ChatGPT, as I am, or as I was, shall I say, until I realised that there's even better stuff out there. So we're releasing this at just $6.95 during the launch period, so that it's at a price that isn't prohibitive for anybody at all, and that it's a decision that you can make without a second thought, because I want everyone to have the ability to monetize Chatsonic. So to do that, we're going to give you over-the-shoulder videos. We're going to show you what prompts to use. Now, for those that don't know ChatGPT language, these are the questions that you ask the AI bot to get the answers that you want in terms of content that you can use to make money with. All of that's going to be explained over the shoulder videos. We make things as simple for you as possible. Obviously, there are some enhancements. You know, we do provide some upsells in the funnel that are going to enable you to shortcut some of the things that you would otherwise need to do yourself. But that being said, you know, the front end on its own, $6.95 is all that you need to spend to be able to monetize and succeed with Chatsonic. You know, there isn't a thing where other purchases are needed. Just the front end is going to be sufficient for you to learn the basics of what you need to be doing with Chatsonic. So with that said, you know, this isn't a hard sell. As I said, I've moved away from this release from my normal VSL, video sales letter production with images and music and all the rest of it. This is just a straightforward release, folks, so that you can maximize the returns from this great new resource. So pick up your copy of Let's Go Chatsonic. Let's get you inside the members area straight away, and within, you know, a short few minutes, or, you know, maybe a little bit longer than that, 15-20 minutes of learning, you can be up and running and starting to monetize this resource. And don't get left behind, folks. Really, seriously, if you've been looking at this stuff and you think that it's all too techie for you, and that you're leaving it to other people, don't do that. It isn't. You know, as long as you can type a few simple questions into a computer keyboard, and we even tell you what those questions are, then you can monetize this. You know, if you're a non-techie, you know, scared of AI, whatever, you know, don't let that put you off rather buying a copy of Let's Go Chatsonic, because anybody can use this, whether you're 4 years old or 94 years old. Anyone can monetize the power of this, folks, so don't get left behind. So that's it, folks. As I said, no hard sell with this one. Pick this up, and myself and Paul will see you on the inside, and we'll get you up and running with those videos and with those 5 methods in just a few minutes time from now. See you on the inside.
Okay, so this is the back-end area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. You can see you have all your different training here, your different make money online methods, all with different videos explaining you each different method as well, different resources for you, conclusion, bonuses, etc. So that's the back-end area. There are multiple upgrades. First one, it says 10 times your results with these done for you email campaigns, and you can actually get a discount on these. If you click the no thanks button, it's going to bring you to a page here that's going to give you the same offer, but at a discounted price. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. Next one is going to give you 5 URLs of your choice in an exclusive rotator, so they're going to give you traffic. You can also, if you click that no thanks button, this one will take you over to a discounted price on this one too, so you can save money there. Next one is reseller rights. You can get 100% resale rights throughout the sales funnel and keep all the money. Of course, hit that no thanks button and get a discount on that one too. Then they've got a done for you product package, and you can also click the no thanks button and keep all the money on that. And then they've got like a beta testing training course. He'll even launch a product with you and absorb all the costs, and you get 25% of the profits. If you click the no thanks on this, they'll make it down into a monthly payment plan for it. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Let's Go Chatsonic and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I wish those screenshots on the sales page had been directly related to this product. Like they're saying, okay, here's money that you can make with this. Here's the money that we made using this method. So that's my complaint. What do I like about this? I always like learning about new AI software. If you just take one of these money-making methods that he teaches you and just one of them works for you to make you some extra cash, then it could be worth the price of admission. Thank you so much for checking out my Let's Go Chatsonic review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.